So as you can see, I've logged into my email already, and here is a message from USGS. So I click on it. It said, thank you for registering with the USGS Geological Survey Euros registration system. To complete the registration process, you must click the link below to confirm and activate your account. So here we go. I click on the link. Okay. So here I have to include my username. So let me include my username and submit. Let's see. User successfully confirmed. So right now I can now log in to USGS Earth Explorer. So let's try and log in. Let me see. Sorry about that. So I include my password. Let's see. Okay. Then we scroll down. You will see sign in. So let's see if what we did worked. Yeah. So I save my password, and that is it. We have successfully created our own account. Now you can see that I am logged in. I'm logged in already. You can see. So this is how you create an account with USGS Earth Explorer. So in our next video, I'm going to show you how to download an image, a Landsat image from USGS Earth Explorer. So please, if you like this video, please, if you find this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe to Georeality Tech for more GIS and remote sensing videos. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.